Okay guys, really quick recipe today, wrap pizzas. Brilliant, I use this all the time at university. Really quick, get lots of carbs, lots of protein in. Fantastic, really quick recipe. So, starting with tomato puree. Just going to grab a spoon, doesn't have to be too accurate. Dollop that in the middle and then just spread that around your tortilla wrap. Don't have to be too accurate. Stretch right to the sides. So the great thing with these wrap pizzas is you can make them as healthy as you want, or if you're having a little cheat day, whack on lots of anything you want really. So I have got some chicken and a bit of kind of thin chorizo as my kind of proteins, a bit of cheese, a bit of flavour and my fats, and then got some spinach as well. For my vitamins, nutrients, etc. So we're going to go on with our cheese first today. Doesn't matter, yeah, I'm going with cheese first. And sprinkle that on. I've just got normal cheddar cheese today, but you could put mozzarella on, even parmesan. Not too fussy with the cheese. Then we're going on bits of chorizo. If you've got, make sure your meats are cooked already, and if you've got thicker stuff, so if you've got a big thick chorizo, I would probably cook that a bit to begin with, because we're only putting this in the oven for 5 minutes. Bits of chorizo, and I've got some chicken left over from roast, so that's already been cooked. We're putting that on, and then we're going to top it with some spinach. So this stuff will just whittle down in the oven, so you can put quite a bit on because it will shrink quite a lot, and that is done. So that can either go straight onto the rack in the oven, or I've got just a little pizza sheet here. So 180 in the oven, literally takes 5 minutes. Wait for the outsides to become crispy and the top to become nice and cooked. That goes in later, and there you have your wrap pizza. To be honest, you can add a bit more to it because a lot of it shrinks, particularly the spinach. You can kind of pile it up. I'd push to go a few more veggies on there. I mean, I didn't have that many in the fridge, so I've sort of gone quite basic here. But yeah, be inventive with this. You can do as much as you like. So quick, 5 minutes in the oven. Give it a go.